Hey everybody, I want to make a quick video just to thank everyone for reaching out, doing the discussion post, creating the enrichment pieces. Thought you guys are doing a really nice job with those, especially some of the poems, some of the artistic pieces today were really great. I'm glad you guys were able to post those. I want to give you guys an update about the rest of this week, so Thursday and Friday. So a lot of you guys have done a great job about posting. Some people have not posted anything yet. And I know a lot of you had independent reading books at school that you might not have been able to take home. Some of you may be having trouble to actually finding books at home or online in order to do some of these. You might not feel comfortable doing it. So what I want to say is first, I want you to continue to read these books or anything over the next few days, at least 30 minutes a day. However, for some of us, I think it's been hard to apply some of the literary elements we're working with, depending on the book you selected. If you're reading those nonfiction articles, I know that can be tough. So, what I want you to do is to continue reading whatever you are. Maybe it's out of that list of articles that I posted. Maybe it's a book you found at home. Maybe it's a book you're rereading. Maybe it's a book you found through the library resources. Um, but starting tomorrow, as we start to, or going back for any of the other enrichment pieces, you can use that book or piece, or you can select elements from a movie or television show you're familiar with. This is going to allow you guys to work with those same literary elements, those same literary concepts, but it might be a little bit more accessible, especially because you might be more familiar with the TV show versus a book that you've just started reading. Now, again, this does not mean I don't want you to just start watching TV instead of reading. It's just a different way for you to work with the materials. I hope this helped. I hope this video makes sense. And please go back if you have time today. Post on that discussion board about online learning. I'm really interested in hearing your thoughts and feelings about what works for you guys in online uh, learning environments and what hasn't been working, because this is new for everybody. And if you guys don't share what works, I don't really know. So it's been really helpful for me reading the post so far. If you guys could keep doing that, it'd be really great. Thank you guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.